Now let's take a look at our natural gas. Once again, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like and share. You can see our natural gas starting with our daily time frame. We were actually on a bullish move around here. I think about last week, between last week and last week, we were actually on a bullish move upward, and now we are now on a bearish move. By the way, we can see it a drop here on our natural gas. We actually saw a pullback, and now we are actually having a drop again on our natural gas, and our price is about to break our previous lower lows. We can see our previous lower lows and this week, and our price is actually on that spot, same spot you can see, and we are waiting for it to actually break below it. If our natural gas can actually break below our previous lower lows, then I'll say it will be a good opportunity to actually take our buy, probably once our price breaks below 7.482, then it will actually be a good opportunity to actually short this our natural gas, by the way. So daily time frame, we are actually on a bearish move and will be dropping anytime soon. So let's try and see a key level area here. We're very much likely to see our natural gas drop to. We very much likely see it drop to 7.111. And let's see, this is also a key level area here. We can see our price came to this level and it bounces up, right? Once our price was giving us that bullish move, we had a pullback here. So very much likely, as we are having that bearish move, we would have see that our natural gas drop to that level we are actually aiming for on our natural gas. That is it on our daily time frame. For our time frame, we are still on a bearish move, by the way. See, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So it will be a good thing to actually look to short this our natural gas. Taking a buy might probably not be a good idea, but shorting it would actually be a good idea on our natural gas. That is on our 4 hour time frame, bearish, and now on our 1 hour time frame, still on a bearish move. So above all, our natural gas we are actually still on a bearish move.